Hello everyone. Today I'm reviewing the American Express checking account, a relatively new addition to Amex's lineup that blends digital convenience with the company's well-known customer service. American Express is traditionally famous for its credit cards, but in recent years it's been expanding into banking services, and the checking account is a big step in that direction. Designed as an online-only account, it's aimed at people who want easy, fee-free banking without having to visit a branch. One of the first things that stands out about the Amex checking account is that it has no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. That's a big win for anyone tired of paying for basic banking services. Plus, it comes with a competitive annual percentage yield, which means your money earns interest, something you don't often see with traditional checking accounts. While rates can change over time, they're generally higher than what big banks offer, making it a nice way to keep your everyday cash working for you. The account comes with a debit card that you can use for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online shopping. American Express also provides access to a large ATM network with no fees for in-network transactions. If you go out of network, there may be fees, but Amex is transparent about those, so you'll always know what to expect. You can also link your account to other bank accounts for easy transfers, set up direct deposit, and manage everything through the Amex mobile app or website. The app is sleek, intuitive, and makes it simple to track your spending, pay bills, or move money around. Security is another strong point. Your funds are FDIC insured up to the legal limits, and Amex uses advanced security features like account monitoring and two-factor authentication to help protect your money. And just like with their credit cards, American Express customer service is highly rated. If you have an issue or question, you can connect with a live representative quickly, which is something not every online bank can say. Of course, there are a few drawbacks. This is an online-only account, so if you prefer in-person banking or need to deposit cash regularly, it may not be the best fit. The account also doesn't currently offer features like joint accounts or physical branches, which could be a deal-breaker for some. And while the interest rate is competitive now, it's always subject to change, so you'll want to keep an eye on it over time. Overall, the American Express checking account is a strong choice for people who want a modern, fee-free checking option with competitive interest and the reliability of Amex's service. It's best suited for those comfortable with online banking who value convenience and a clean and easy-to-use interface. If you're already in the Amex ecosystem, it integrates nicely with their other products, making it an even more attractive option. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.